Dear students, good morning. What you have learned in this chapter, combustion and flame, it is just a revision. Now we are going to revise the whole chapter. The substance which burn in air are called combustible substance. Oxygen in air is essential for combustion, and during the process of combustion, heat and light are given out. Ignition temperature is the lowest temperature at which a combustible substance catches fire. Inflammable substances have very low ignition temperature. The fire can be controlled by removing one or more requirements essential for producing fire. Water is commonly used to control fires. Water cannot be used to control fires involving electrical equipments or oils. There are various types of combustion such as rapid combustion, spontaneous combustion and explosion, etc. There are three different zones of flame: dark zone, luminous zone and non-luminous zone. As ideal fuel is cheap, readily available, readily combustible, and easy to transport, it has high calorific value. It does not produce gases or residues that pollute the environment. Fuel differ in their efficiency and cost. Fuel efficiency is expressed in terms of its calorific value, which is expressed in unit of kilojoules per kg. Unburned carbon particles in air are dangerous pollutants causing respiratory problems. Incomplete combustion of a fuel gives poisonous carbon monoxide gas. An increased percentage of carbon dioxide gas in air has been linked to global warming. And the last point is oxide of sulfur and nitrogen produced by burning of coal, diesel, and petrol cause acid rain, which is harmful for crops, buildings, and soil. These are the important points of this lesson: combustion and flame.